Amazon KDP Niche Research, episode 19. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the 19th episode of Top 5 Amazon KDP Niches of the Week. But before we get into the niches, I just want to quickly answer this question from Mr. Botot. Whenever you leave a comment and you don't see it immediately, that means that maybe YouTube has wiped it off. I really don't know why they keep on doing this, but once a comment comes in and I see the notification on my phone and I use my computer to answer the question or a comment, I discover that some of the comments have been removed by YouTube. Maybe because they have a link. I'm not sure what triggers them to completely take it off. But once I see that your comment has been taken off, I immediately screenshot it before it disappears from my phone. So that's how I got to this comment. That's how I screenshotted this comment before it disappeared. Even if I go to the back end of my channel and I search for the comments, I don't see it. Like YouTube completely removes it. I have tried accepting all the comments, including the links, that's setting it to accept all the comments, including the links, but to no avail. YouTube still removes some comments. So I'm sorry about that. There's really nothing I can do about it for now. But what I'm doing is, if I discover that a comment notification on my phone and I go to answer it on that video and I don't see it, I just immediately screenshot it before it disappears. So that's how I got to this comment. So Mr. Buttot said, I want to inquire some things. Is it possible to exploit the book cover, exploit a book that can be resold as PLR, modify the cover and sell it on Amazon? And he gave an example, like I was telling you before, that once you put a link like this, most of the times YouTube takes it off. So I've tried to remove that setting or to allow all the comments, but to no avail. So here's my answer, Mr. Butod. Whenever you see an ebook online, that means that Amazon can find it. If you can find it, Amazon too can find it. So if you were to resell this PLR book with a different color cover, know that Amazon will find out. Yes. So what they do is, when you send in a book, they run it through a database of all online documents, all the documents found online, and if it matches another document, it's going to be rejected, and your account can be at risk. So Amazon works like plagiarism checker. If you write essays in school and you submit an essay that's been plagiarized, the professor is obviously going to know, because they run it through a plagiarism checker that searches for all contents online that matches. And if it matches your document, you're obviously going to be in trouble. So my answer is definitely no, no, don't do that. It's possible to get content from the book, but paraphrase it or rephrase it in such a way that it doesn't match the exact content of the book you are getting the content from. So there are websites online that you can paraphrase. You just drop an article there and it paraphrases it for you. I think one of them, let's search for it and just say paraphrase article, search for paraphrase article, and yep, there is it. So there's a free plagiarism tool, paraphrasing tool. So I don't want to go into all of this because I have content for today. I don't want to make this video long, so I'm just going to leave you to choose either of these paraphrasing websites that you can paraphrase your article with, and then you can resell it. But if it's just copying content from the PLR books and reselling it, it's a definitely no-no for me. So at the end of this video, I have some three bonus niches for you. So let's jump into the first niche. The first niche for today is the weight gain tracker logbook. So on Amazon, I found these 134 results and the books ranking in this niche. So this one is weight tracker. It has obviously sold. It has obviously sold, but no reviews yet. And this one too sold. Look at the BSR. Sold too. BSR, but no reviews yet. So it's obvious that this niche is selling, as you can tell from the BSR. So we're gonna go to Creative Fabric and see what interior found for you guys. It's a KDP interior weight gain tracker logbook, and it is $1.49. Over 5 people added this a favorite. By the way, there's a link in the description below if you want to check out Creative Fabrica. And I always advise you to go for the monthly plan, which is $19 per month, so you can have access to all these interiors. And this weight gain tracker logbook is 120 pages, 8.5 by 11 inches, available as a PDF file. All right, so that's it for the tracker weight gain tracker logbook. And I'm gonna go to Publisher Rocket and take a look at the keywords I found for you guys. So this is the weight gain tracker logbook, and here are a bunch of keywords you can use with this niche. Just be careful of the keywords so you don't use things like weight gain oil. It has nothing to do with the book. Alright, that's it for the first niche. Moving on to the second niche is the visitor logbook, 263 results on Amazon. And here are the top books. Amazon already has a choice, but that shouldn't tell you this is what, 50 pages. I think this one Creative Fabrica has more pages. Let's take a look at it. Yep, 120 pages as opposed to Amazon's favorite, which is just 50 pages. So visitors logbook. So if we sell it lower than this, or obviously have some sales, look at the sales here. This one is $16.99. Obviously not KDP. This one, the top ones are not KDP. Let's scroll down. Yep, this is definitely KDP. So this is just a plain black book with white text on it, visitor logbook. And I'm guessing it's 120 pages or so. And it's already selling. Look at this, 20 reviews. So you can see that this is other KDP sellers too. And this one already has 40 reviews. Wow, this is beautiful. A bunch of colors, rainbow colors. Has this sold? I'm not sure. It looks really eye grabbing, attention grabbing. So, like I told you before, a there's a visitor logbook interior on Creative Fabrica, and 6 people have added this to favorite, 120 pages. Available as 8.5 by 11 inches. PDF file too is that's what is available in, and we're going to go to Publisher Rocket to see what interior I found for you guys. It is a visitor logbook, and I'm just going to quickly scroll for you guys. Alright, so that's it for the interior as well as the big keywords. So we're going to move on to the third niche of the day. The third niche of the day is the story book or the storyboard paper notebook. Right, this is 289 results on Amazon. And let's take a look at these books. This one is storyboard notebook. It's obviously being sponsored, and it's available at the price $6.99. And all of these ones are sponsored. Wow, that's surprising. Okay, this one is blank storybook, and this doesn't look like KDP. 200 plus pages, blank storybook, blank storybook, blank storybook. All right, so let's go to Creative Fabrica. I found this interior is a story paper book. It's also blank. Over 23 people have added this favorite. And 120 pages, A5 by 11. They seem like all the others. And PDF too. Yeah, many people want this interior. And it's available for you to download. Okay, so let's go to Publisher Rocket and see what. Okay, so the keywords is just these two that Publisher Rocket found that are being used most by people: storyboard paper notebook and storyboard paper. So these are two keywords that you're going to use. I'm going to forge ahead to the fourth niche of the day, which is this music album review journal. So we're going to quickly scroll down to take a look at the top books in this niche. Price $7.99, $5.99, and this one right here has a review, music collector logbook, and let's look at the other ones, music collector logbook, and there are not many KDP books in this niche. That's surprising. Maybe this is a niche that many people haven't uploaded books to, and this should definitely be an eye-opener for you guys to upload to this niche as fast as possible before anyone else. So we're gonna quickly go to Creative Fabric and see what interior they have for us. It's a KDP music album review journal interior. 6 people have added this to favorites. It is 100 pages. You can also do some editing if you want. It's available in InDesign and PowerPoint. And you also have it as a PDF file, available as 100 pages, size 6 by 9 inches. So what do you have? You have the album review journal belongs to, then you have the artist, album, year, song, name, written notes, and all the like. So I think it's a very nice interior, and we're gonna go to Publisher Rocket, and we're gonna go to Music Album Review Journal. So I'm just gonna quickly scroll for you. So that's it for the keywords. I'm gonna move to the fifth niche for the day. The fifth niche for the day is the breastfeeding tracker logbook. So 135 results on Amazon, and this first one here sponsored. It is not a logbook. This one is just breastfeeding handbook. So we're gonna quickly scroll. This one is a logbook, breastfeeding tracker logbook. I'm gonna do some more scrolling so you can see the other niches or the other books in this niche. And this one has a review, baby feeding logbook. Right here, 5 reviews, and daily logbook for the baby. This one has a review. This one has 1 review. So I'm not sure what went wrong over there. Looks very cute. So we're gonna move over to Creative Fabrica and see what interior they have for us. It's a breastfeeding tracker logbook, and wow, 25 people have added this favorite. It's 100 pages, 6 by 9 inches, 300 dpi, available as PDF, InDesign, and PowerPoint if you want to edit it. And what does it contain? So it contains a breastfeeding tracker logbook belongs to, and also has the time the breast left or right, pumping left or right, bottle wet dry, baby's mood notes, and all the like. So it has the essential points that every mother will need to take note of for their baby to know if their baby is doing well or not. So here is the keywords that you can use with this niche: breastfeeding tracker logbook, breastfeeding tracker journal, breastfeeding tracker, no bracelet, don't include bracelet, breastfeeding tracker electronics. So don't include these two, just use these three right here that right for this niche. So like I said in the beginning of the video, that I was gonna have 2 extra or 3 extra niches for you guys. So The extra niches I'm talking about is this one right here. KDP interior orange lined journal. So let me know in the comment section below if you've ever seen an orange lined journal, because this is definitely my first time seeing it. Although it's not a niche, but you can use this to your advantage, because I don't think many people know about an orange lined journal. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever come across an orange lined journal, a pink line journal, and a black line journal. I spoke about a black line journal in one of my previous videos. It was the first time that I came across it, and today I just came across an orange and a pink line journal. So this gives a whole definition to KDP, because this makes your books unique. If I come across this kind of book and I realize that you're or one of the people selling it, I'm definitely want to give this a try, because I always like trying new and unique things. So guys, take advantage of these three extra, do I say niches or interiors? Yeah, they are unique, they are special, and if I want it, a customer will definitely want it. So guys, that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you in the next one.